He's coming. He's coming. Okay, now we're in my hiding spot. Alright, between that thing. Yes! We did it, guys! Yeah, we did it! Please, the bedroom. Bedroom, bedroom, bedroom. Yeah, by the way, it's so... Yeah! Ethan's room. Who's Eden? Looks like Andy's room. Oh my god. Okay, so we just waiting. Nope, I don't wanna be that. Yeah, okay. I'll have to go up here. Now I'm gonna show you where to hide. I'm gonna show you where to hide. If you're secret, you should try looking over this. Oh, I told you. There's a lot of people. He just jumped in. Oh, wait, I know one. For the hiders, I'll show you where to hide. I know I'm just showing you. Is this water or something? I'm sinking. Oh, it's almost done. Now you see this button? You go there. There. No. Then I let this bacon come. Or you can hide under there. I would rather come over. This one. This is. I have to take track of him. Oh. Wait, I got it. Oh no. 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 No, yeah, I'm cooked. Okay, and I'll count on two. I'm gonna jump. Oh yeah, never mind. Look inside. Don't you dare go upstairs. Looks like a book. Yeah, he's there. If someone's there. Jump. Mommy's coming. Yeah, I have to. Oh! No one there. Oh! So someone. Wait, what? Oh, go back. There's him. I might see him here. See what? He could low-key see. So I'm gonna jump. There's easy. So you see. Don't get you. He's gonna stay here for a while. He'll see me. Hopefully I jump. I'm the queen. Because, hey, gaming. That's all. By the way, can you see my face moving? Aww. You can see me. Oh wait, I forgot. I'm not upstairs. Please jump. Jump, 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 jump. And go. Go right over here. You're here too. Who's that? Who's that? Okay, I'm gonna go behind this. Can't see. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah! You're so beautiful. Yeah, I did it! Actually, in real life, I'm the best at hide and seek. I'll bet you for, oh. In the kitchen! The kitchen! Kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. Oh yeah, that's easy though. No, not me. Please, please, please. How about Jerry? Sean, Sean, no Sean. No. Okay though. At least it's not me. Oh, oh. Okay, that's jump. Whee! Okay now. Go with it. Wait, I know how to go there. Okay. You see the button? You will go. You see the button on it? Oh, he flew away. He flew away. So I told him. Okay. Now we have to, where's the door? Yep, yeah, I have to go to the door because they can't reach you guys there. I'm gonna go. No, no, no. Happy New Year. Oh, Happy New Year. Hello. Might go here. Love. Oh, it's there. Turn on. Someone got caught. Oh, where is that? If I got caught, I would scream loudly like a bear. The eagles with it. I seen the eagle. What's that? Yeah, I won't get caught here. Yes, stay over here. No, too boring. machine. There's a vending machine here, actually. Nando's. Yeah, I know it is here. Oh, you can go. Wait, actually, I have a great idea. I could go up there. Okay, now we just have to go over here. Now, jump. Okay, for sure, someone's there. Gotta jump. No! 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 No scream if I get caught alone. Don't make me scared, please. He's good though. I didn't know you can get it. Oh, his name is Eric. What? Run! Oh. What is this one? Oh, lucky. He's so lucky. He lucky he didn't get caught. He's gonna get you there. He knows how to hold it. Oh my phone's cracked. No. Kitchen, 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 kitchen. Those are my favorite napkin flavors. No, please no, not me. No. Actually, no, 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 no. Otherwise, we're outside. I can see them. And they're gone. Please no. Oh, there's a button there. And there's another there. Run for their lives. Oh, the devil. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Go, go, go. Can I run? What are we doing? Okay. The thing is here. Let's go. remember doghouse here? Oh, okay. There, I saw. I see. Look, they are here between them. Yes. I knew it. That's my people. People. Wait, how did I get up here? Secret button? Now I know where they are. Hey, come here. Come here, baby. Come here, you. They look sticky. No. Okay, there's another button. Yes, this one. I swear I saw someone there. Maybe I swear I saw someone else. Wait, there's a button. It's not button. He hasn't quit. No, he's stopped. Well, no! No! Shot again? No. Must go first. Oh. No, I mean, millions. No. Okay, sure. I'll go up. What's the white one? Me too. Is that Nico? Me. Yeah, Sean. Sean. Hello, Sean. You're so beautiful too. Oh, yeah, you know that. You're so beautiful too. I need to get up. Okay, let's work together, Matthew. Who's wrong? Then you just want the cookie. You're so beautiful too. You're so beautiful too. Run! I gotta jump. Never mind. I ate something. Okay, now where? He's right there. He's right there. He's right there. Oh, okay, so Mango joined me with a different avatar. Okay, so Mango joined me with a complete different avatar. I don't know why. So I'm just gonna jump. Okay, where's Mango? Wait, does she even have chat? I don't know. Wait, yes, does he have chat? Oh no, he was found. So he's close by or something? Okay, he's polar bear. You're so beautiful too. You're so beautiful. How do I get up? Oh, yeah, he's right there. He's right there. He's right there. He was here. He was here. He's right there. He's right there. He's so perfect. Why isn't he moving? Is there a bot? Why is this flying like this? You're so beautiful too. Okay, now I'm just gonna wait him to move. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, he didn't move. So let's go to the yards. The yards. The attic, the attic, the attic, the attic, the attic. Yeah, it's my lucky day today. Yeah. Oh, she's there. Hello. Hello. 3 people left the game. Oh no, 4 people. Yeah, but 1, 2. Oh my gosh. I mean, oh my gosh. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Cool, 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 cool. Okay, how does my plan? Hey! Wait, I don't think. Oops, sorry. Making a red. So, this is this is it. No, no, that's so juicy. It's right there. Yeah. Now she don't have to. No. Okay, it's right here. Emily. They copied my. Okay, I'm gonna go with this. Oh, hello, babe. Hello, bestie. I'm trying to jump here. Okay, wait, guys, wait. Inilibing si ano, Nutella. Okay, I'm back. I'm back, back. Mango, change your avatar. Wait, this is Mango. Oh, it's your other account. Hi. 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 Let's go to this girl. Gosh, oh my 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 gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's Bestie. It's Bestie. It's Bestie. It's Bestie. Gosh. Wait. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, wait, he's taller than me. I'm supposed to be taller than me. And why am I fatter? Oh, wait, he has a belly button. Okay. Who is Liam? Pretty girl. Better pick the room. Oh, or the kitchen, the kitchen. Oh, yeah. Oh, please, Jason. Liam. Oh, pretty girl. Okay, being the cool. Yeah, Bismillah. 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 I don't know why they time left to high. They only have seconds. And for oh, two. Okay, so there's my bestie. Let me get to my bestie. Give it to. No, I have to leave her behind. You're so beautiful too. She can see me here. Oh, she disappeared. Okay, so. Oh, it's not clear, guys. Crazy, right? He can't. She can't see you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. He's probably. Oh, 6, 7! Right! Top right, look! 6, 7! Oh, 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 okay. Oh, oh. We lost somebody. We lost somebody. Okay, I knew he's gonna go there. Yeah. Oh. That's what you get. Yeah. Oh, no. Don't you? Not joking. Shit! Because Mango might be there. She told me the option. 5, 7. Oh, he saw someone go back. Now he won't see me. So, yeah, I'm going over there. So, yeah. So, let's go to the shop. No. Don't want anything. So, open. Open. attention. What if he stops? Credits? We can need credits. Okay. Wait, we could go back. No. No. Where's my bestie? Where's Mingo? Did she left again? Okay, we're here.